So we're about to leave the boat and go to visit Gustav's parents, which have come. And with us we have 5 bags of what, Gustav?
Well, I guess it's like a month of dirty laundry.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that's what we're going to do today.
Some salt and dirt to clean up there.
Yeah. Oh, could you tell me who these people are that we just found?
Yes, these two are my parents who
really?
just arrived to Portugal to stay here for a week. And yeah, just treat us with some restaurant visits and things like that. Yeah, so that's the plan.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so we're sitting here at the tip of Sagres, the Sagres Peninsula, and just watching out over the ocean. And we got the Mediterranean in that direction over there, and we got the Atlantic Ocean straight out there. And we're going almost straight south in that direction towards the Canary Islands. In yeah, like 5 days or so. Are you excited?
Yeah, well first I want to see more of this place.
Yeah, for sure. So where are we now, Linn?
We are at Pau the Pizza, where we're going to eat today. And no one's happier than me. They have a lot of talents here.
Sounds sweet. Okay, so my dad just came to one of his dream spots right here. The absolute peak of Portugal. How do you feel?
It feels good actually.
Nice.
It's very good. Especially to be together with you guys.
Yeah, it's really nice that you came here for sure. It's awesome. So now we're on our way to the best restaurant in town, they say.
If you're going to eat fish and chips.
If you're going to eat anything. So yeah, we're pretty excited, and yeah, I mean, this is one of the last restaurant visits before our sail to the Canaries. So pretty excited about that as well. Well, here it is.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de...
Here we are doing the shopping. Do you think we will survive until the Canaries, Örjan?
No, till Morocco.
To Morocco. So, now we're done with the shopping.
La casa del merengue, la 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.
Yeah, so I was just about to untie the lines, as Gustav said that there is not enough water coming out here which is showing that the engine is cooling. So now we had to change the little ream. Is that right? What's it called, the thing you're changing?
It's like
The little ream?
the little what?
Ream?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I think it's called... I don't know, but it looks like... Let's see. Here it is. Looks like crap.
Yeah?
So, yeah, definitely needs a change.
Yeah.
This is the big one. This one looks great, so no problem with that whatsoever. But this really needs to be changed.
Put it on.
Yeah, found a new one. So now just gonna thread it over here and put it around these smaller wheels here on the inside. Right there. So now we just need to tighten both these little cords here.
Yeah.
So we're leaving Portugal and going to the Canaries.
That's right.
How do you feel?
Right now I'm hungry.
Yeah.
It feels good, but it's a bit of shame to leave this beautiful country though. But I guess it will be like that all the way.
For sure. Yeah, just have a look on this scenery right here. That is pretty massive.
So it's my first real shift on our way to the Canaries, and we're making like 5 to 6 knots, so that's really good. And yeah, I'm a bit nervous about this trip since we're just the two of us now, and because of that we won't get that much sleep, so I think I'll be tired after 5 days at sea, but it will be fine. guess.
I just woke up this beautiful morning here in the middle of nowhere, and I see there's a boat catching up on us quite quickly, and now when it comes closer we can see that it's actually a Swedish boat right there. So we haven't seen many Swedish boats at all this trip. So right now, in the middle of nowhere, there is one appearing from nowhere. So that's pretty cool. We are halfway to Las Palmas. Okay, so time for our little ceremony, halfway to Canaries ceremony, with where we're gonna sacrifice one of these beautiful ship crackers to Neptune for good fortune. It's stuffed with chocolate and nuts and all things that you ever could imagine. Okay, Linn, we're sitting here under the moonlight on our way to the Canaries. And what is happening right now?
We are going to sacrifice this to Neptune
Why is that?
for good luck, I guess.
And that we're halfway to the Canaries, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Awesome. Okay, throw it.
I hereby sacrifice you, Neptune.